Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I am making up a Mexican dish which is called picadillo, and we like to serve this up with some beans and some rice and a little bit of lettuce and tomato on the side and some fresh tortillas. But let's go ahead and get started. Here in my pan, I got that hot. Just turned it on a little while ago, and I'm going to go ahead and add my hamburger here, or ground chuck or hamburger, whatever you have. And everything you need will be in the description. And what I'm going to do is just chop this up really well and get it nice and browned, and then I'll drain the fat off of it. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. Okay, I hope that camera's not steaming up. Now, I drained most of my fat off here. If you leave a little bit of it on, it gives you a little bit more moisture, but I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions and bell peppers, tomatoes, garlic. And we're just going to cook this up for a couple of minutes. Get everything diced up pretty small. And this is the good thing about this, you know, a lot of people are struggling nowadays, and it's a cheap meal, and it's delicious. But I'm going to go ahead and let that cook up, like I said, for a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes or so. And we'll get the other stuff added to it. Okay. Had this cooking for about 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. All right. Now I'm going to add my spices in. Smelling good already. Now you can double this if you got a big family to feed. Like I said, it's cheap. Cheap meal. Go ahead and put my tomato sauce in, just a little bit. And my chicken broth. Now I like to use the knorr just because it's got a good flavor, but if you can't find it, just get you the regular granules of that bouillon. It does give it a whole lot of flavor. Let me turn that down a little bit. It does lend a lot of flavor on the knorr. This one here. It's really good. It's just got something in it. It's just really good. And I'm going to throw a serrano pepper in there. I cut mine. I put a slit in it. That way it can release some of that heat. Now, if you don't like it, just don't slit it. Or you could do jalapeño. Now I'm going to turn this on low. And I'm going to get my lid, wherever I did, there it is. And I'm just going to let this hang out for a good about 25 minutes. And just let that meat and all those spices and everything come together. And then we'll get our potatoes added. And then basically we're going to cook it till those potatoes are tender after this. Because I like that meat to get tender. So that's where we're at, guys. Okay, as you can see there, I have it. Just a slight simmer on it. Now, if anything starts getting too dry for you, you can always go back and add a little bit more water. But here, this looks fine. I'm going to add my potato that I cut up in little cubes, probably little half-inch size cubes. And now, it's just all about our potatoes getting soft. And I'll go ahead and cover this up. It'll help it cook quicker. In the last 5 minutes, I'll take that lid off. So just check on them here and there. Kick your heat up a little bit. A little light boil, or simmer, should I say. And once those potatoes are done, you're ready to eat. If you like it more juicy, just put some more water in it. But I like it more on the drier side, so if I see it's got too much liquid, I'll kick up my heat and take my lid off and just, that's what I'll do at the end either way. But this also makes delicious tacos. Some flour, corn, flour, whatever you'd like on a taco with some hot sauce and some cheese. Delicious. But we'll be back and we'll get it plated up, guys. Okay, my friends, there's the picadillo we're fixing to eat. I got the husband's plate made. Got some fresh tortillas over here. I should have brought those out, but that's not what the video's about, so I guess that's okay. But I do have a video on them if you want to go check it out. And we're having it with some beans and some rice. And he gets the serrano pepper that cooked up in there and a little bit of salad. I spread a little bit of cheese on that picadillo. You probably can't see it. It's melted on there, but there it is, guys. I hope you enjoy. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. And if you're not subscribed and if you like the channel, please do so by subscribing. That will enter you in my giveaway that I'm doing with my 50,000 subscriber giveaway. But you have to be subscribed, guys. So, like I said, this makes delicious tacos. And mine cooked like 12 minutes. Just until those potatoes are tender. Okay? And put some hot sauce on there if you want. But it's cheap. This stuff is a lot of things we have on hand. Beans, rice, potatoes, ground chuck. It's a really good cheap meal. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And, oh, that's another thing I wanted to bring up. I'm not seeing too many people giving me some ideas here on that giveaway. What can I give away that most people in their households are looking for? Whether it be a nice frying pan set, an air fryer, just, you know, different things, you know, stuff like that. Drop some suggestions for me. Help me out here, my friends. But until next time, you guys cookie up some. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Love y'all.